do you muscle test supplements? So there's different processes in order to muscle test them. If you have significant health issues, I would recommend going to a trained professional with a medical background in order to do the muscle testing. The reason you would want somebody with a medical background is because if you don't have that medical knowledge, then you can't know necessarily if you're on track with the muscle testing. So this is a tool to use. The muscle testing is a tool to use. So these 3 supplements, so I have ribonucleic acid, I have Ginkgo Forte, and I have Serious Brain Enhancer. My brain is tired right now because I have been on the computer and on Zoom calls for quite some time. So the first check is to just check to make sure you're strong. I do self-testing, so this is a self-testing one. So you want to make sure that you have a strong check in the beginning. Now, so I do. Then I'm going to go to the part of my body that I'm struggling with, and that's my brain right here. And so that is definitely weak because somebody's been thinking very hard. That would be me. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the supplements to my body so my body can be like, these are the ones that I'm testing. So that's the kind of nonverbal communication. We're testing these. These are what you have to choose from. So then I'm going to put I'm going to keep the others 2 feet away from me. And then I'm going to put these right next to me within that 2-foot field around me where you can pick up things, right? Like you can feel things. You feel somebody, if somebody walks by, right by you, behind you, you can feel that, right? Even if they're really quiet, you can sense things. So that's the same sense that we're going to use for deciding which one. Okay, so I put those 2 feet out, and then I'm going to press my brain again, because if I just put it in front of me, that might work too, but this is a better way to do it. So press my brain. Doesn't want that one. I really don't know which one it's going to want. I think I want to know which one it wants, but it likes the Serious Brain Enhancer. It doesn't want the ribonucleic acid. So definitely wants the Serious Brain Enhancer. Now, to dose it, I'm just going to hold the bottle. I'm going to say 1, 2, 3. As it goes weak on 3, so then I need 2 from that bottle. Another way to do it is just to do it in front of by testing it with your body. Strong, right? Because we already knew that. And then weak. Let's test something else. So let's test toxicity. Okay. So we're going to use GI Absorb and Parotid PMG. So both of them brought in front of my body. Pretty sure I'm exposed to toxins right now because my eye has been itching. So those are away from me. And then put it in front of me. Parotid PMG is strong. GI Absorb is weak. So how many parotid to take? 1, 2, 2. Okay. So we have that. And then there's more complexity, like can I take them at the same time and things like that, but that's where you would be more likely to go to a practitioner from. So hopefully that helps. Watch it again. Please ask me if you have any questions or if I can explain it better, because this is a really great tool to just not waste as much money on supplements and find the results faster. So let me know if you have any questions below. If it worked for you, if it didn't work for you, why you think it didn't work for you. You're welcome to post a video under here if things aren't working, and I'll see about giving you feedback on that. Sometimes it's much more complicated depending on what you post. So we'll give that a shot though. Okay, thank you.